Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an update install video on the hair that I have in right now. If you hear something in the back, yeah, not going crazy. My husband is sitting over there playing the game with the baby, so the baby might wake up too, who knows. We're just going with it. That's what we're gonna do. But if you're interested in seeing the update on this hair and all the information, I will link the initial unboxing video below. And just
with pride or intuition.
Be someone I can hide my fears with, and if they got us on the run, we could still chase our dreams like money.
Hair that I got into my head, if you see my unboxing video, is Indian water wave hair, and it's from VIP Beauty, but I didn't get off AliExpress. Like I also said in the other video, I got it through Amazon, so the shipping was, well, the shipping from AliExpress is pretty good, but if you got Amazon Prime though, you already know. I said if you ain't priming, what are you doing? But I did get 3 bundles and a closure, so I got 16. I don't even want to lie. I believe I got a 16-inch closure, lace closure, and I did get 3 bundles, and I believe the bundles were 18, 20, and 22. I think. I really don't even want to lie to y'all, because okay, yes, I got a 16-inch lace closure, and I got 18, 20, and 22-inch bundle. And the bundles, when I got them, were super full, and they were on like this like dark brown off black color. So probably like, is 1B off black? I'm gonna say like a 1B ish color. It wasn't quite 2. Yeah, 1B is off black. It wasn't quite 2, but it wasn't really quite 1B. It was like in the middle somewhere. But it did come in that dark color. I said I wasn't gonna dye this hair, which I didn't, but I did bleach it, so I can put some highlights in it because it was too dark and I wasn't feeling it all black like that. And as y'all can see, I didn't really lighten it too much, so it's still brown. It's not blonde, but it's brown. But I like this better for my skin tone. I did see some other reviews that said the hair was thin, like the bundles were thin, which made me really nervous, because I was like, okay, I'm not trying to get no hair and then I look like I got in 1 bundle of hair, but I have in 3. I wasn't trying to play nothing like that. But it is pretty full. As you can see, this is it. This is no product in it. I just wet it and took it off the mannequin head. I let it air dry, and this is no product, and this is all 3 bundles. So it's pretty nice and full. So this is all from behind my ear and everything. So it's pretty nice and pretty full. But let me turn around so y'all can see. So look, it's pretty. So it's nice. I don't even know what hair they got, but I'm glad I didn't get no hair like that, because I would have sent the shit back and there would have been some problems. Because this is my going back to work hair, and I go back to work in about a week and a half, 2 weeks. So it wasn't going to be none of that. My hair ain't right because they wanted to play me. But all in all, I like the hair. I haven't really gotten any tangling, like a little bit here and there, but it's wavy hair. So with wavy and curly hair, you get a little bit more pushback than you will with straight hair or like body wave hair, which is fine because I did make a wig, so I don't have the hair on 24 hours a day. So it's not really like I'm messing with the hair when it's not on my head. It's just sitting on the mannequin head, so it's not really that deep to me. But I haven't really had to do much, so I want to say I've had the hair and I've wore it about 4 or 5 times, give or take. It's hot as hell, so I've had it out in the heat. I've wet it, I've washed it, I've straightened it. I straightened it really just to see if the waves will come back, and they have came back because I straightened it the same day I made the wig. So there's that. But the curls are really, well, the waves, they're not really curls, the waves are really pretty. They've been pretty since I put it in. So this is really just my initial, like, so y'all can see how it looks on. I didn't bleach the knots on the closures. This is just how the closure looks. But that's really it. I just wanted y'all to see, and I will give y'all a final update probably in like a month. because I feel like in a month, once I wear it to work and have to put it up in a ponytail and all that, back and forth, then I'll really see. And since I didn't seal my wefts and I did cut the bundles when I got like up here, I will see how the shedding goes. But that's really all I have for this video. So if you liked it and you enjoyed the hair reviews, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up and let me know down below, or request or suggest any hair company that y'all like that I should try out. I didn't really feel good enough about making this wig to record myself making this wig, but I will record myself making the next one because I feel like I feel confident in my skills now that I can show y'all, because I wasn't trying to play myself or play y'all, because I'm gonna show y'all how to do something I don't know how to do. I can't. So that's all I have. So like I always say, I'm your girl Tiffany. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.